everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a fun springy gel polish mani with polishes from Modelones. Now this kit here is a 24-piece spring pastel collection. So you can see here it has all the perfect spring colors here, from pastels, from the mint green to that beautiful light pink, and that even has some sparkly springy glitters, which are perfect for the upcoming spring and Easter season. So here's all the beautiful colors. I love how they're pastels. And then you also have a matte top coat here in a nail primer, and then a gel top coat and a gel base. So check out these bottles. Aren't they cute? They have the little Modelones B, and then you can see the colors inside the bottles, and I'm completely obsessed with that. And then check out this fun glitter. You're going to see it in action here in just a few moments. So we're going to be using quite a few colors today to create a fun springy mani. So we're going to start using some really pretty pastel colors, and then we're going to add some glitter nail art, kind of like an ombre. And then at the end of the mani, I was like, this mani needs some more glitter, so then I decided to add another pop of glitter. Now to start out the mani, I am going to apply gel base all over to the entire nails. I'm making press-ons, so when I'm making press-ons, I like to keep that product in the middle of the nail first, and then I'll go ahead and brush up that gel base to the rest of the nail to help prevent any flooding or anything like that from on the other side of that press-on, because you just want a smooth, even finished surface when you are making press-ons, so application is flawless. Okay, so now let's dive into these beautiful pastel colors. Now these gel polishes are super pigmented and opaque, and the color payoff is definitely there. I always get a little nervous when it comes to pastel gels because they either come out super patchy and streaky, but I did not have any problems or issues with these very pigmented gel polishes. They also do not have a scent. I know some gel polishes have kind of like a chemical scent to them. I didn't notice any like scent or harsh chemical smell with these gel polishes at all, and I really liked how these applied. And you can definitely get away with one coat, and then you can do 2 coats if you want to build up that color and opacity. And if you really want to get crazy, you can do 3 coats as well, whatever your heart desires. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani, and then I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, let's dive into this beautiful glitter. So I'm going to take a liner brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of that gel product onto that brush, and I'm going to carefully place that on the nail. I'm going to be working a little bit slowly when it comes to how much product I am picking up on that liner brush, because I really want this gel polish to lay super flat to the nail. To create less bulk, I'm going to go ahead and, instead of curing each coat to make it more sparkly, I'm just going to build up that product on the nail, so I only have to cure it once to help reduce that bulk. So I'm just going in each time into that palette and picking up more of those glitters and then moving them around to give it that glitter ombre effect. Now you can do whatever method works best for you when you are playing with gels. This is just what method I like to use, and I just really like how at the end when I cured it, it was super flat to the nail, because if you go ahead and now if I would cure the gel polish right here where we're at and then go ahead and add more, it's going to create some bulkiness to the layer, and then you're going to kind of see where that divide is from the glitter, and then you're not going to have that like smooth ombre transition with the gels. So that's why I am placing the glitter like this. And then when we're done using the nail art brush, I'm going to go ahead and use this dotting tool here to pick up some of those larger circular glitters. I really like how the irregular shape of these glitters are and how fun they are, and I really wanted to focus on picking up some more larger ones to overall tie in this glitter ombre together. And this glitter is so fun and super pretty, and I really like how it has color shifting to it, so it is changing colors in the lights. So now I'm just fanning out that top of that gel polish to kind of give it a really nice radiant effect by adding a couple more pieces of glitter, and I'm just kind of making some lines on the top and then sporadically adding a few more glitters on the top there, and voila, we have our gel glitter ombre. So here's what the mani looks like, and I was like, it definitely needs some more glitter. So I thought that this beautiful periwinkle light blue needed a little bit of extra glitter, so I went ahead and put a layer of glitter on this nail to kind of tie in the whole mani. Now this mani would also look good with a matte finish as well, and these glitters would even look really fun matte, so that's another option. And that robin egg blue, you could totally add some more glitter to that nail as well, or glitter on all the nails, or no glitter at all, whatever your heart is desired. So I did finish up this mani off camera with that gel top coat, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super pretty. These colors are perfect for spring, and this glitter is so fun. See how when the light hits it, it just has that little color change. I completely love how it turned out. So stay tuned. I will be doing more manis with this set here. I think these colors are perfect for spring. And I also will be playing with some new Model 1 spring dip powders next week on my channel. So definitely consider subscribing so you do not miss that. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.